Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video is about the Java Stack web development. So this is a 21 days challenge web development using Java Stack. So it is a series where you will not get the knowledge from zero. This and you will get the industry level projects by me. So let's start the video. So this is our 21 days journey which transform you from beginners to confident Java web developer in just 3 weeks. The intensive and hands-on journey will take through the front-end fundamentals, back-end mastery, and modern framework implementation. So in this series, from week one, we learn about the front end, that whatever the HTMLs will use, CSS, JavaScript for building beautiful and responsive user interfaces. In week 2, we learn about the core backend, the core Java, JDBC, Java database connectivity, the servlets for mastering the server-side logic and database operations. In the third week, we learn about the frameworks and deployment, that the Spring Boot, Hibernate, and how we will deploy our project, that creating production-ready and scalable applications. So, is this journey right for you? Okay. If you are a college student who is pursuing B.Tech, BCA, MCA students looking for building practical skills beyond theoretical knowledge, so this video is for you. If you are aspiring backend developers or full stack seekers who want to learn the Java stack, that how to create website using Java, so this series is for you. So, what exactly is web development? So, the web development is the art and science of building the web application that power our digital world. It encompasses everything from the visual design you interact with to the complex logic processing your request behind the scene. So, basic real world examples are social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, e-commerce giants. If you talk about the e-commerce, so like Flipkart and Amazon's. In education portals you see the college management system and banking apps and financial dashboard, all are the real world examples of web development. Okay, now come to the front end versus back end, the iceberg model. So the front end is the face of a website, where the back end is the brain of a web page. Okay, user sees the front end, whatever the front end we design, that will see the users. But backend is not seen by the users. What are the primary tools? So in front end, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as the primary tool. On the other hand, we use Java, Spring Boot, and SQL in the backend. What are the main tasks? So our main task in front end is to design UI and UX and to add interactivity. But in the backend, our main task is about to add logics, to create databases, and make sure that our web page is secure. In the front end, we focus on the user experience, that how the user will interact. But in the backend, our main focus is on performance and scalability. Like an iceberg, you see that iceberg is 10% above the water, but it is 90% below the water. With as the same in the web technology or the whatever the web development, the front end is the 10%, which is user will see, it is only 10%, but the back end, which is the main part, which is heavily below to the which user can't see, that is the heavily lifting, it processing the data, managing the databases, and ensuring security. Okay, the Java Stack, your complete toolkit. The Java Stack is a powerful enterprises grade technology ecosystem trusted by many companies like Google, Netflix, and Amazon. Here is the complete development center. Okay, the front-end layer, which where we use HTML5 for structure, CSS3 for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. And the core logic, where we use Java fundamentals, servlets for web development, and the JSP, Java Servlet Pages for dynamic pages. Okay, we use modern frameworks also. We use Spring Boot for rapid development and Hibernate for database mapping. For data management, we use MySQL, which is reliable and efficient data storage and retrieval. Okay, essential tool for your development lab. Okay, in this series or in this video, we use VS Code because it is very lightful, powerful editor, and perfect for front-end development with excellent extensions. And then we use IntelliJ IDE for our backend, where we study about the Java. It is a very good IDE for Java development. It is a industry standard IDE for Java backend development with intelligent and code assistance. For database, we use MySQL Workbench, which is comprehensive database design and management tool for efficient data operations. And the next and the last and most important thing, that Git and GitHub for version control, for tracking code changes and collaborating with teams. If you are working in a team project, so you must know about the Git and GitHub. Okay, why choose the Java stack? In the market, there are so many stacks are available, like Stack. So why we choose Java stack? So Java stack is an industry standard stack used by 90% of the Fortune 500 companies for mission critical applications. It is very high demand, consistently ranked among the top three sought after skills by the employees. In this Java stack, your career growth is very good. Average salary for Java developer in India is 6 to 12 LPA for freshers, where for experience this is 15 to 25. But if you have a good knowledge and a proper skill in Java stack development, then also. Java's platform independent language. It is like a write once runs anywhere, robust security features, and extensive ecosystem make it to go-to choice for scalable enterprises applications. From Android app to cloud service, Java powers the digital infrastructure we rely on daily. Okay, coming up next, how the internet actually works. Before we dive into coding, it is crucial to understand the foundation. In our next video. We will do the magic behind the web communication. So first of all, we will learn about the client server model, that how the browser and server communicates with each other. Then we will learn about the HTTP versus HTTPS protocols, understanding the secure data transmission. The third one is request response cycle, the journey of data from you click to the display. Like if you have a web page, when you click, that how it works and how the data will come. The next one is DNS and IP address. It tells about that how the internet finds the right destination. Okay, so if you are ready to begin your journey with me, so subscribe to the channel. Never miss an update in this 21 transformation journey. Comment Java stack, show your commitment, and join our learning community. Enable the notification that whenever I upload the video related to this series, it will very fast reach you and you can see. Okay, here is a pro tip for you. Consistency is the key. If you give 2 or 3 hours daily for maximum learning impact, by 21 days, you'll have a complete portfolio project ready to showcase your potential to employees. Okay, so thank you for this video, guys. If you like this video, so like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon and comment the Java stack.